Aging is a process everyone must experience, but modern science has proved again and again that it does not have to mean weakness, loss of mobility, or a decline in vitality. A well-known orthopedic surgeon recently revealed that certain movements, when done consistently, can dramatically slow down the aging process and even reverse some of its physical effects. These exercises strengthen the body from the inside out, target the muscles most affected by aging, and keep joints, bones, and the cardiovascular system functioning at a high level long into the senior years. The human body is designed to move, adapt, and rebuild. Even at 60, 70, or 80, the body responds to the right kinds of exercise with surprising speed. Muscles grow stronger, balance improves, and energy levels increase. When seniors follow a scientific routine crafted specifically for their bodies, they not only feel younger, they perform younger. The surgeon emphasized that aging is not the enemy, an activity is. When muscles weaken with age, the joints are forced to carry more load. When joints are overloaded, pain and stiffness appear. When pain appears, people move less, leading to even more weakness. It becomes a cycle, but the good news is that the cycle can be broken at any stage of life, even after 75. This is why these 5 science-backed exercises have gained so much attention. They are safe, effective, and require no expensive equipment. They target the biggest predictors of healthy aging: leg strength, core stability, balance, cardiovascular endurance, and joint flexibility. The first thing the surgeon pointed out is that seniors often underestimate the importance of leg strength. Legs are the pillars of mobility. When the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings weaken, walking becomes harder, balance becomes unstable, and the risk of falling skyrockets. Falls are one of the biggest dangers for seniors, often leading to long-term disability. Strengthening the lower body is the fastest way to restore independence and youthfulness. The simple sit-to-stand exercise, repeated in slow, controlled motions, helps seniors rebuild powerful leg muscles, support the spine, and improve circulation. Each repetition teaches the body how to coordinate multiple muscle groups. Over time, seniors who practice this movement often find themselves walking more confidently, climbing stairs with ease, and standing up from chairs without effort. The second exercise the surgeon recommends revolves around core stability. Many seniors think the core means only the belly muscles, but in reality, it includes the deep stabilizers of the spine and hips. These muscles protect posture, prevent back pain, and keep the body aligned during movement. Aging often weakens these stabilizers, leading to a stooped back, reduced lung capacity, and difficulty bending or lifting even light objects. The pelvic tilt is a simple yet powerful motion that retrains these deep muscles. Done consistently, it strengthens the connection between the brain and the midsection, helping seniors stand taller, breathe better, and move with newfound ease. The surgeon explained that a strong core is one of the most underrated anti-aging tools. When the core is strong, every other part of the body benefits. Walking becomes smoother, balance more reliable, and everyday tasks such as getting out of bed or reaching for something overhead become effortless. But the third exercise may be the most crucial of all: balance training. Science shows that balance naturally declines after age 50 and drops sharply after 70. The reason is simple: the systems responsible for balance muscles, eyes, inner ear, and nerves weaken with time if not challenged. The single leg stand is a gentle exercise that trains the brain and body together. By practicing standing on one leg, even if holding onto a support, seniors wake up dormant stabilizer muscles, sharpen reflexes, and teach the nervous system to react faster. Over weeks, seniors experience better coordination, fewer missteps, stronger ankles, and much lower risk of falling. The surgeon described balance training as insurance for old age. The fourth exercise focuses on joint mobility, something most seniors struggle with daily. Stiff joints make every movement more difficult, but stiffness is not caused by age alone. It often comes from inactivity, dehydration in the joints, and decreased circulation. The gentle hip and spine rotations included in this routine moisturize the joints naturally by stimulating synovial fluid, the body's natural lubrication. When seniors begin doing rotational stretches daily, they often notice that morning stiffness fades, walking becomes less painful, and they regain the ability to move freely again. The surgeon emphasized that joint mobility can be restored at any age and that stiffness is reversible. The fifth exercise targets cardiovascular endurance, an essential component of aging well. Many seniors believe intense workouts are needed for heart health, but research shows the opposite. Simple, rhythmic movements such as marching in place significantly improve blood flow, lung capacity, and heart strength. Marching in place is low impact, safe for seniors with joint issues, and easy to adapt for any fitness level. It strengthens the hip flexors, improves posture, enhances circulation, and activates the abdominal muscles. Seniors who march in place for even a few minutes daily often report feeling lighter, more energetic, and mentally sharper. The surgeon explained that the most surprising benefit is increased brain health. Aerobic movement sends more oxygen to the brain, which improves memory, focus, and mood. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for preventing cognitive decline. These 5 exercises form a complete anti-aging routine: strength, stability, balance, flexibility, and cardio. Together, they create a blueprint for aging well and staying active. But the surgeon also stressed the importance of consistency. Even the most powerful exercise routine cannot work if done only sporadically. Seniors should aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. Short sessions are more effective than long, exhausting workouts. The body thrives on gentle, steady activity. Another point the surgeon made is that posture plays a critical role in how young or old someone feels. Poor posture compresses the spine, reduces lung capacity, and can make a person feel tired even after small tasks. These exercises naturally improve posture by strengthening the muscles that hold the body upright. Over time, seniors find themselves standing taller, walking with more confidence, and breathing more deeply. Breathing is also a fundamental part of healthy aging. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow, lowers stress, reduces inflammation, and improves sleep. When combined with exercise, it enhances circulation and speeds up recovery. Many seniors unknowingly breathe shallowly, limiting the oxygen that reaches the muscles and brain. Incorporating deep breathing with these movements transforms the routine into a full-body rejuvenation practice. The surgeon highlighted many success stories from patients who began these exercises in their late 70s or even 80s. Some were struggling with balance issues, others with weakness or chronic pain. Within weeks, most reported improvements in mobility, energy, and mood. Within months, many felt strong enough to return to activities they once thought were gone forever: gardening, walking long distances, playing with grandchildren, or simply living without fear of falling. The science behind this transformation lies in neuroplasticity and muscle regeneration. The brain can rewire itself at any age. Muscles can grow stronger even in the 90s. Joints can become more flexible with the right movement. Bones respond positively to light pressure and weight, becoming denser and stronger. The body does not stop adapting unless we stop challenging it. Even the heart grows stronger with small daily efforts. Seniors who adopt these exercises often notice improvements far beyond the physical. Better sleep, clearer thinking, reduced anxiety, and higher confidence are all common results. Movement stimulates endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which help reduce depression and boost motivation. Social confidence also grows when seniors feel strong and capable. Many seniors avoid going out because they fear falling or becoming tired too quickly. When that fear disappears, life becomes enjoyable once again. The surgeon also reminded that hydration and nutrition significantly enhance the benefits of exercise. Muscles work better when hydrated. Joints move more smoothly. Bones stay healthy with minerals, and the heart pumps more efficiently. Seniors should drink water throughout the day and include foods rich in protein, calcium, omega-3, and antioxidants. The goal is not to create a strict diet but to support the body with simple, healthy choices. Another important factor is recovery. Seniors do not need long rest days, but gentle walking and light stretching help the muscles recover after exercise. The body heals faster when it stays lightly active rather than completely resting. The beauty of this routine is its simplicity. Seniors do not need a gym, special equipment, or complicated instructions. Just a chair, a little space, and commitment. These exercises can be done in the living room, at the park, or even while watching television. The surgeon's final message was full of encouragement. Aging is not losing strength, it is the opportunity to rebuild it consciously. The body is resilient, It responds with gratitude to every bit of movement. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and believe that improvement is always possible. Even 10 minutes a day can change the next 10 years of life. Seniors who follow this routine often discover something unexpected. Movement becomes enjoyable. Instead of a chore, it becomes a ritual of self-care, a reminder that youthfulness is not defined by age but by how we treat our bodies. It is never too late to reclaim strength, balance, energy, and vitality. Science has proven that with the right exercises, aging can be slowed, sometimes even reversed. Seniors deserve to feel powerful, capable, and alive. They deserve to wake up each day with energy and confidence. And these 5 exercises, grounded in modern medical research and recommended by orthopedic specialists, are the roadmap to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life. Aging may be inevitable, but decline is not. With movement, mindset, and daily effort, the years ahead can become the strongest, healthiest, and most fulfilling years yet.